Is she gonna start? When it start this morning? Hey, she fired up. Except I think that coming on means it just threw a code. Well, today is gonna be day 5 of cleaning. It really doesn't look that great. We brought about 30, maybe 20, 30 of those 12-gallon tubs to storage. We still have more to go. All right. What's happening, YouTube? Moto Mike 805 here. Today is October 13th, 2021. Wednesday, 9:51 a.m. and we're just gonna go on a quick ride just to fill you in. We're still cleaning the garage. Seems like this is taking forever. Today is day 5. But before we get going, oops, where's neutral? There it is. Before we get going, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. It seems like I've been stagnant right at 546 subscribers for weeks now. It's weird. I usually average like 1 or 2 a day, and something's up with the algorithm. But hit that subscribe button. Also, give it a thumbs up. Comment and share. We'll get going right after this. So like I said, it's just going to be a real quick video today, just to update on getting the garage cleaned up. It's taking us a lot longer than we thought. Good thing we took a whole week off work to do this. We've spent at least 8 to 10 hours a day on that garage for 4 days now. And the reason it's taking so long is because we're literally going through every box. When we moved from Fresno over here, I guess it was kind of, it's like we did it in a rush. Because all of our crap's just thrown in boxes and there's like no rhyme or reason to it. A lot of stuff that we just wrote, oh, storage, because we knew we were moving into a real small place at the time. So a lot of our stuff we just threw into storage. And then when we bought the condo after living in an apartment for a few years here, we brought everything back out of storage, but then we just threw it in the garage. So now we're kind of going through it and we're like, oh my God, why did we keep this? Why wasn't this sent to Goodwill, or why wasn't this thrown in the trash, or yard sale? But right now we're at the point yard sale is Goodwill, so everything's getting donated that has any value. Other than that, it's going in the trash. And it's just the garage was so cram-packed, we ended up having to get a storage. So the storage, we got a 5x10. It's 10 feet deep, 5 feet wide, and 8 feet high. And we've got it almost about a third full right now. I think we're gonna have plenty of room to where we can, in the storage, where we can make a decent amount of room at in the garage there and in the house. I decided to take Bumblebee out. I've had to leave the bikes out of the garage because it's just a mess. And what we do in the daytime is I move them out to the main road, and I've got them all parked out there. Well, yesterday when I went to start Bumblebee, it barely started. It just and then it fired up. Then this morning it crank, nothing, would not fire up. So I threw it on that new battery charger I got. It's that auto sensing something, but it's pretty cool. The auto sensing I thought was it would auto sense between lithium and lead acid, but I don't think it does that. Read the manual. The auto senses on how dead your battery is, and has 4 different charging levels. Like if it's below a certain voltage, it charges a little faster, then slows down a little bit, and then eventually a trickle charger, then a float charger. So that's pretty cool. But I plugged it in this morning. It's probably only been plugged in for an hour and a half, and the light showed solid green, which meant full charge, which is, I don't know if it's good to charge a battery that fast, but it cranked in, it fired right up. It no hesitation at all, although Oh, that little light's gone. I think it may have thrown a code though. There was that little red key that comes on. If I remember right, I think that means I need to check the codes. I don't know. But anyways, that's where we're at. I just wanted to do a quick update. This is going to be a very short video because I'm probably going to spend every last minute of this vacation working in that garage. I really thought I'd have some time. I thought I'd get a couple videos out there so I'd be ahead on videos and not so pressed for time. But just getting today's Wednesday, so the video dropped. A video dropped at 8 this morning, and it took, because I upped the resolution, it took almost 6 hours for the damn video to render when it usually does it in 30 to 45 minutes with the other resolution. So I fell asleep, and then I went in to upload it to YouTube. Oh, good doggy. And then thought, oh, I'll go back later and put the info, like the title of the video, the description, and I fell asleep. I woke up this morning and already had comments on the video. I was like, oh, it still got, like, you know, the date of the video is the title and there's nothing in the description. So about 8:30 I realized that and went in and hurry up and gave it a title and edited the description. But that's where we're at. Hopefully we'll get back to some normal videos. I know that I said Bumblebee wasn't really going to be in any videos because there's the issue with the brakes. But hey, what's life if you don't take risks? Although they probably weren't talking about riding a motorcycle with bad brakes when they're talking about taking risks. I don't think there's any risk versus reward in that. Alright, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up. Comment and share. And oh yeah, there's no rear facing video because I took the little headlight fairing off. That's where I had the mount for the camera. So there's no rearward facing video today. It's only one angle. Sorry about that. I guess it'll be easier to edit. Alright, so back to where we were at. I was getting out of here. So remember, YouTube, act like everyone's a hired assassin trying to kill you. Stay safe out there, YouTube. Peace.